one of the big questions I'm getting in emails from clients and prospective clients is about the presidential debate. Everybody's out there watching the poll numbers. President Obama's up 1 week, Romney is up 1 week, and so the big discussion is, will the debates impact the overall markets? That's a great question. Depending on how the debates go and which candidate really emphasizes their economic policies, it can have a bump in the markets. Of course, at the same time, we all know the historical debates like the JFK, John F. Kennedy, Richard Nixon debate, in which Nixon didn't look good on camera and Kennedy came across strong. We also know the Ronald Reagan, Jimmy Carter debate. Reagan had been down in the polls, and after those debates, then we started to see Reagan come up in the polls, and of course he eventually won the election, to a lot of people's surprise, I might add. But during that time period, it's interesting to see how the markets were impacted by that. So to answer your question, it could cause a bump, but the other side of it is ultimately the day of the election is what will really impact it. Not only, and I want to emphasize this, not only in terms of the presidential election, but also how Congress turns out. In terms of who wins the House, who wins the Senate. So, and then I guess I probably should tell you about this too. There's discussion now that the Senate is really going to try and address this fiscal cliff of the Bush tax cuts expiring on December 31st. They're going to try and address that prior to the election, or definitely before year end. So there's a lot of things going on, and it's interesting to me. People will forget about the economics of the market and start to focus on the politics. But so watch the debates, listen closely to both candidates on their economic policy, and I'll keep you updated as to what's going on. Thanks.